Scene: a majestic, sweeping shot of a diverse natural landscape, forests, mountains, and oceans. The camera moves slowly, taking in the grand scale. We think we know the animal kingdom, its roars, its migrations, its vibrant displays of color. But beyond the familiar calls and colors lies a world of secrets so profound they challenge everything we thought was true. Hidden within the rustle of leaves and the depths of the ocean are stories of intelligence, emotion, and biological impossibilities that defy our understanding. Scene: quick, intriguing cuts of the featured animals in their natural habitats. We see a crow's knowing eye, an elephant gently touching another with its trunk, the iridescent shimmer of a mantis shrimp, the ghostly form of a glass octopus, and a jellyfish pulsing in the dark. These are not just creatures of instinct. They are keepers of ancient mysteries, waiting to be unveiled. Scene: a crow perches on a branch in a bustling city park, its head cocked as it watches a person walk by. A subtle animation overlays its head, showing the person's face being stored like a file. Consider the crow, a common sight we often overlook. Its mind is a fortress of memory. Scientists have discovered that crows can not only recognize individual human faces, but can also remember who has been kind and who has been a threat. This information isn't just stored, it's shared. Years later, that same person might find themselves scolded by a different crow from the same flock, a member of a new generation that has been taught to remember. Their intelligent, perceptive eyes miss nothing, holding grudges and gratitude across time. Scene: a herd of elephants moving slowly across the savannah comes to a halt. They have found the skeletal remains of another elephant. The herd grows quiet and still. Deep in the African grasslands, another form of profound consciousness reveals itself. When a herd of elephants encounters the bones of one of their own, something remarkable happens. The boisterous energy of the group fades into a solemn silence. They stop their journey, gathering around the remains in a display of what can only be described as grief. Matriarchs and young calves alike will gently touch the skull and tusks with their trunks, caressing the bones in a quiet, ritualistic farewell. It is a powerful, humbling moment, a clear demonstration of deep emotional bonds and a respect for the dead that we once believed was uniquely human. Scene: the scene shifts to a vibrant, bustling coral reef. A peacock mantis shrimp scurries across the seafloor. The camera view suddenly shifts to its perspective, and the world explodes into a psychedelic array of colors and swirling patterns of light. Beneath the waves, nature's miracles become even more fantastical. Meet the mantis shrimp, a creature whose perception of reality is almost beyond our comprehension. While humans see the world through 3 types of color-receptive cones in our eyes, the mantis shrimp has up to 16. It perceives a spectrum of colors we can't even imagine and can see polarized light, a dimension of vision entirely hidden from us. Its world is a kaleidoscope of information, a biological marvel that reminds us how limited our own senses truly are. Scene: in the quiet, dark depths of the ocean, a small, bell-shaped jellyfish, the Turritopsis dorni, pulses gently. An animation begins, showing the jellyfish aging, its body becoming frail. Then the process reverses. Its cells regress, and it transforms back into a youthful polyp attached to the seafloor, ready to begin its life anew. In these same depths, life and death are not the finalities we know them to be. The immortal jellyfish possesses a power that seems to belong to mythology. When faced with old age or injury, it doesn't simply die. Instead, it triggers a process of cellular transdifferentiation, reverting to its earliest stage of life, a polyp. From this state, it can bud and grow again into an adult, effectively resetting its own life cycle. It is a true biological immortal, holding the key to a cycle of perpetual renewal. Scene: the scene plunges into the pitch-black abyss. A faint, ghostly shape appears as a light source passes over it. It's the glass octopus, its transparent body revealing its optic nerve, eyeballs, and digestive tract floating inside. Further down, in the sunless midnight zone, lies a true ghost of the ocean. The glass octopus is a master of invisibility. Its body is almost entirely transparent, a perfect camouflage for an environment where there is nowhere to hide. As light catches its gelatinous form, its internal organs become hauntingly visible, suspended as if by magic. It drifts through the crushing pressure, a spectral presence that embodies the alien and wondrous adaptations required for life in the extreme. Scene: a beautiful montage of all the featured animals. The crow's sharp gaze, the elephant's gentle touch, the mantis shrimp's brilliant shell, the jellyfish's eternal dance, and the octopus's ghostly form. The tone is one of awe and wonder. From minds that remember to bodies that defy death, nature's secrets are all around us. They are a testament to a world far more complex, intelligent, and magical than we can ever imagine. These hidden marvels challenge our place in the universe and invite us to look closer, to listen more carefully. The only question is, are we paying attention? Scene: the video ends with a final, breathtaking shot of a sunset over a wild, untouched landscape, casting long shadows and painting the sky in brilliant colors, leaving the viewer in a state of quiet contemplation.